May we now invite Ambassador Ashok Sajanhar, Secretary, National Foundation for Communal Harmony, to speak a few words.
Honorable Sri M, distinguished delegates on the dais, friends, one of the distinct disadvantages of being one of the last speakers is that all that you wanted to say has already been said. One of the advantages, of course, is that you can be short. So I'm going to be short, and I think that is going to please the compere of this program. Friends, reference has been made to a large number of other marches and other yatras that have taken place over the last 100 years or even longer, last millennium. I will refer to a yatra that was taken about more than 80 years ago by none other than whose bust we see there. It was a march against colonial imperialism. It was a march to violate the unjust rule. In the Dandi March, Mahatma Gandhi marched with his people to break the law and to collect a handful of salt. That was a march that was able to get all the people together. That was the march that was really able to transform the independence struggle into an independence movement where he got all the people together. I think the march that is going to start today with Sri M at its helm is also going to electrify the people of our country, because that is what we really need today. We need all the country to come together to promote communal harmony, to promote interfaith, mutual respect for all religions. And of course, if you look at it, that is the heritage of India. We need to reclaim our heritage. India is a blessed place because it has been the birthplace of 4 major religions of the world. All other religions of the world have also come to India and have not only been found a succor here, but have flourished here. I think we need to go back to that historical past and historical legacy of India. Today, India stands at the threshold of a great expansion, not only economic expansion and growth, but also spiritual expansion and growth. As the Prime Minister himself, while speaking at the UN General Assembly, said, he reiterated the ethos of India, Vasudhaiva Kutumbakam, the whole world is a family. And that is what we need to tell our own people. That is what we need to transmit to the whole world. This is what the Prime Minister also mentioned from the ramparts of the Red Fort on the 15th of August. Let us stay together. Let us have no communal disturbance for the next 10 years. And India is going to change. It's going to develop. Today we have an aspirational India with its demographic dividend, with its youth population, with its strength of democracy. What we need is peace. And I'm confident that the march that we are embarking on today under the leadership of Sri M is going to get us just that. Thank you very much for your presence, and I commend and I wish it all success. Thank you.